What's up, you guys? It's Sam Helps 26 here again, and we are back once again on our My Lead Gen Secret journey, promoting our affiliate offers, which is our multiple income funnel, our power lead system, and our business academy. But real quick, like we always do for the newer people that don't know what the system is, My Lead Gen Secret is a autopilot mailing system that's going to be giving us our 100 to 200 leads every day, depending on if you have one account signed in under your first account. And it's going to be giving us leads that are interested in business opportunities and making money online. And every 24 hours, you will get those 100 to 200 leads imported straight to your autoresponder mailer directly, and every 24 hours. Yeah, that's pretty much the quick basic overview of what it is. And for the offers, we are getting paid from our affiliate programs is the main basics around it. And that's pretty much it for the newbies. But for the people that are here for the results, we're going to go over that and a lot of other stuff today, because there's a lot we got to go over. And today I have time. So it could be a longer video, could not be. I'm going to try to make it short and sweet and straight to the point as much as I can. So stick with me. So first we're gonna go over some of the clicks that we got for our emails that we sent out yesterday and see what the results are. So this is my second account with 13,100 leads. Here's the email we sent out yesterday. Zoom out for you guys. See when you click here, try to highlight it for you. It'll let me. On the yellow highlight here, that's going to be our business academy that we sent out. That's going to be our link embedded inside of our words that we have here. And here is our power lead system that we give the free affiliate link to. And here you see this is how we started promoting multiple income funnels, our tagline now. So that still is an option that I do continue to pay for, even though we're no longer promoting it as our main offer. So I'll click on all these to show you guys what it goes to. So for the first one, this is our business academy, where we're going to capture all of our leads that are going to go straight to our autoresponder. And I'm using GetResponse right now. Now I'm just working on getting all my autoresponders set up and getting some campaigns sent out tomorrow. But yeah, this is my capture page that we sent out yesterday that goes straight to the landing page for the website. Let's see, I'll show you guys exactly what happens. It's just going to redirect you straight to your affiliate link. So I'll put in my email, for example. Oh, sorry, they want the name there. And this is all set up through my card account that I'm going to be going over with you guys, where it's going to be one page do it yourself setup, all your capture pages, landing pages, everything. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up pages just like this for free. Put in my name here, and when the leads put in their name and their email, it's going to capture it, and then boom, brings us right here to our affiliate page. It's going to have the video and everything that that's gonna be needed to explain what exactly this is here. And what it is basically a funnel builder that's teaching you how to build wealth. And both these guys are 8-figure earners. You see here, $2 million earned between them, and so much more with the people inside of it. But it's only $25 to sign up, and you get 80% of all your commission. So they do make sure that you're winning, is what I love about this funnel builder. So they're helping you build a business, and also they're showing you how to keep bringing income to your funnel at the same time if you are running a business through it. But if not, they're just giving you basic advice on how to be financially free, and they're helping you build it at the same time. So it's really an earn while you learn funnel is what I really like about it. You see here, lucrative commissions, because they're only taking $5 out of all your $20 commissions. So you're getting all the bonus free stuff they give you, and they want to make sure you win. So they're taking only a $2 to $5 income when they give you your commissions. So you're the one that's winning when it comes to this. See here, I'll just scroll through and let you guys look at it. I'm not gonna read most of it, but just give you the basics of what it is. And with this funnel, they're gonna be giving you so much information that is needed for people to become good affiliate marketers. And they're literally giving you interviews from people who've made over $1 million. And all these back office free bonus trainings. And you see how much all this stuff is valued at. You're getting all this for free. You're getting lead magnet videos that's going to teach you how your lead magnet works, which you see a lot in my emails that I send out. Getting your 15 video step-by-step YouTube ranking course is going to show you exactly how to get your videos ranked on YouTube and get paid off your referral links there as well. And the complete audio gold mine really is exactly what it says in the name, is a gold mine, because this is where all the 8-figure earners, 7-figure earners, and up all go and give free advice, which usually you'll have to pay for like $100 monthly fees for these webinars just to go learn this stuff. And it really is valuable stuff that you could go in there and literally be making money off of it today. Like just off of me being in the back office for a day straight, like I've learned so much that you won't get anywhere else, like on YouTube or looking at blogs. You're literally learning it straight from the people who make the money and teach all the affiliate marketers that are telling you guys whatever they want to tell you just to get you to start buying stuff from them or clicking their links or whatever the case may be. And it's only $7 days for $1 just to try it for free, just so they're assuring you that you're going to get something out of it before you even fully start becoming a member with them and getting all the extra free trainings and bonuses that they give you. And they also teach you how to do your taxes, and they teach you how to do your RIAs or whatever it's called. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's some really big financial terms that they use in there, and they're going to teach you everything you need to know about financial literacy. Is their main thing that they want to give you before you start getting into the trainings. They're going to teach you exactly how to save your money, earn money, everything. And you only need 2 people to start profiting, as you see here. So once you get 2 people signed up underneath you, you're making all your money back, and then after that you're just playing with it just to make extra income. And then when people sign in underneath you, what's cool is that you're giving them value, because this whole system is designed around you and how to get you financially free. And all these videos in here give you so much detail and knowledge to how your finances work and how to start making more money online as a actual real affiliate marketer, and not just fake guru stuff trying to spam links and stuff like that. They're really teaching you how you can make this into a leave your job situation. But yeah, that's pretty much it for how the capture page is going to work for my website that I'm using to build these landing pages. But to not get off track, we're going to keep going and looking at the results. Don't worry, I did not forget. So we're going to also go to my second account and see how many clicks we got. So you see here, same exact email. This did a lot better. 110 clicks. So you see all these email swipes that we're using that we got for free that comes in the Business Academy. They've been converting really well compared to everything else I've sent out, which is awesome. So you see all these email swipes are getting really nice clicks. Also another thing, I don't really pay attention to the open rates or click-through rates. All this stuff is very inaccurate. What you want to pay attention to and what I pay attention to is just the clicks. How many people are getting onto our website and buying. Third account, which we now have 200 leads on. I'm going to see what we got for that. See here, same email. Zoom out. 28. That's pretty good for how many leads we have, because this is a smaller list here. 19,000. Or 1,900. And let's see here. This is my most opened of all time, actually. So take that into account, that the email swipes are making a difference in how many opens and clicks we get. Awesome. We also take into account that I did start getting the 200 leads around this time. You see here, it was 1,700 and hopped up to 1,900. So that just shows you there that the 200 leads is going to make a difference in how many people are starting to see your offers. Okay, so let's go look at some results here. And then after that, I want to get into these landing page builder websites so you guys know how you can start building some pages yourself here. So for our powered lead system, we did not get any commissions yet as of yesterday, but let's see if anything changed today. No new commissions. That's fine. And we can go check out our multiple income funnel. Oh, actually, the funny thing about this is, and I know you guys are going to think this is funny because I did when I was at work. I checked my email show you guys this before we go look at our tracking links, and I have a sale here. As soon as we stopped promoting it as our main offer yesterday, you see here on the February 23rd, we got a sale. Our first ever multiple income funnel sale is here. I didn't think it would come, but you see, with consistency, guys, this stuff does pay off, as you can see. So this is a $20 reoccurring commission, so it's gonna be paid to me every month. In all the systems in the inside, I do get front-end sales on. So that means that whatever they go in there and they purchase accounts under, I'm gonna also get more sales under that. So you guys be aware that consistency is the key to getting these sales. I'm just sending out every single day. And you see, as soon as I stop promoting this, and when you least expect sales to come in, the sales come in. Right when we're not even giving the multiple income funnel as much as attention as we were in our email swipes, now we got a sale. Not sure exactly where it came from yet, because I have a lot of tracking links leading to my multiple income funnel, so that'll be interesting to see where we got the sale from. But I'm grateful that we finally did get a sale after a month and about 4 days of promoting multiple income funnel. So it's nice to see that we're getting some commissions now. So let's go back and try to figure out where the sale came from. We're going to go to our tracking links. So this is our back office where everything is, where we run our business. And we're going to go to our links, go to our tracking links for all of our social medias. And it looks like we got the sale from TikTok. So I did outsource some TikTokers, and I've got many new leads from her. As you can see here, if you highlight, 80 new leads. So she is, it looks like, what got me the sale here. You see here, one sale. So this is from a TikTok that I did not make, but I paid a outsourcer to do it for me, and look what it gave us. One new sale and many new leads that could turn into sales once I figure out my autoresponder. That's great. That's why it's also important to make sure you guys are tracking your links, so you do know where the sales come from, and then you can keep on using the same source. So many new leads, one new sale. So this is definitely going to be a valuable source that I might keep going back to. And let's check our MLGS links. It looks like we did get a lot of new hits and about one new lead or two new leads, I believe. Starting to lose track. Too many numbers. Okay, so that's our results for that. One new sale from TikTok. And then also, we are going to check our Business Academy and track our clicks and see if we got any sales. Okay, this is our capture page. You don't want to be here. So I got way too many links open. Let me pause this for you guys, save you some. Okay, and let me show you guys this other landing page as well. This is another landing page that pretty much shows you a lot of what the system offers. So there's the funnel builder that comes with it, and you're only paying 82 cents per day. So you really can't lose with that. And then once you get 2 people signed under you, you're literally not paying anything anymore and you're just making money for free. Pretty awesome. And this whole thing works for you 24/7. So after you get your funnel set up with your autoresponder built in and everything, it's going to collect all your emails for you. It's pretty much just showing you how to be an affiliate marketer, and they're showing you how to be financially free with all this information they're giving you. It's all about, that's what I love about this system. It's all about automating you money. It's not about them getting money from you. It's about you building sales pages and getting money from those sales pages. And then on top of that, they're bringing in so many different extra trainings that are going to bring you income guaranteed, because it's already brought me income, as you can see with these email swipes. And to have 50 of them to cycle through, it's just great. And to see all the clicks and the opens with their email swipes going up, great. You can't lose with this. Like, you see, we're already making money and we haven't even made a sale yet, at least that we know of. But let me log into our account, speaking of that, and see if we generated any sales from our emails yesterday. Let me real quick show you guys the funnel builder tool. Just a quick preview. I don't use the funnel builder in here, me personally, but it is definitely a top of the line. I think it has like a $400 value to it. And this is pretty much where you're gonna get your preview from, and it'll show you what it could look like in the end. But this is where you're gonna capture all your leads, and you're gonna plug in your autoresponder, and they're gonna have the all do it for you videos that show you exactly how to do it. But this is where you would write your subject line for your capture page, and then you can put your own picture and everything right here. Click edit image. This is where your picture would go. See if I can show you guys here. So this is from one of my capture page that I use on my other website, which we'll be going over here shortly. So there's that. And then this is what they'll see when they type in their name. And it'll shoot that right to your autoresponder. Okay, let's log out of here. That was just a quick preview, not really all the tools that come with it, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. We're going to go to our affiliate section. Here's all your training, and all your top affiliates are going to be right here. Let's see if it'll bring up the list. Last 7 days. Here's all your top affiliates, people that are making money. And you see Michael Day is my mentor, almost a 8-figure earner now. He's number 1. He's also number 1 in the multiple income funnel, so doing really big things this year. Shouts out to him. Go to our SAM cart. This is where we're going to do all our tracking, and it's going to show us all of our clicks and sales. So no sales, it looks like. Let's see if we got clicks. Yep, looks like we got a couple hundred clicks. Not bad. So kind of surprising though to how many clicks we had on our Miley Gen Secret, but maybe they were clicking on other things. So that's our results for the Business Academy. And we're gonna keep on with the sending emails for it. So let's go to our Mileage and Secret and send out our emails for tonight. And I am going to be using the Hobbs email swipes, the 50 email swipes here. See here, $495 value. Crazy. And you get 50 of them, and it's the same ones that we're getting sales with now, and you get this completely free as soon as you sign up. And also when you sign up under me, you're going to get an extra 80 paid email swipes that I have and already paid for myself through other vendors. I'm going to send that to you completely free as a team bonus. And all you gotta do is just text that number with your account name and I'll shoot those right over to you. Send me your email with the account name and we'll get that straight to you. Okay, on to the Mileage and Secret. I'll show you guys exactly what we're gonna be sending out. You're gonna go to your mailing system. You're always gonna select all your leads. We got 2,100. This is for the third account, which is now, you see here, 200 leads accumulating now, and we were just at 100. So more money coming in. And here's my subject line from the email swipe. Pause it for you guys so I could paste in my swipe. Okay, so now that we got our subject line, I pasted in my email. And just so you guys know, a lot of people don't go over this. I don't know why. When you paste in your emails, you always have an option for the way the email looks. So for me, I'm always doing the normal div. I think makes the emails look a lot cleaner. But what it usually is on normal up here. So you could always change that just so you guys know. And I think the normal div does convert a lot better. And that's what I've been using. But you guys could try different things. Formatted also is another one that Rob4 uses, which is in the master email swipe training in the back office of the Business Academy. He says that converts well, which it does, because you've seen me use his email swipes on here before. So that's another way that you can think about using your shorter email swipes, is just formatting them. I don't know why, but people tend to like the way they look a lot better. I'll show you what the normal div looks like. Nice and clean and short and crisp looking, so they could read exactly what we want them to read and click on our offer. You see, show you here if it highlights. Here is going to be our Business Academy link as usual, and then the highlighting yellow does seem to convert too, which I learned from another high-figure earner in the bonus back office training in the Business Academy. So another reason why to get in on the free knowledge they're giving out while you can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And click on your links and stuff or to check on make sure everything's going the right place. You see here, takes me straight to our capture page where we're going to get our leads. Yep, and then we got our leads selected. Perfect timing always. And make sure you're putting in your short codes because people like to see their name. So take your first name fix and put that in there. and that's going to replace the name. Say if somebody's name is Joe, it's going to say Joe instead of first name. So it's very important. And for me, I'm going to click send, and that's going to send right out. I'm going to do the same thing on all three of my accounts, and just keep sending out consistently. And you guys do the same, and you can see sales come when you really least expect it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some value out of it. If you did, leave a like, thumbs up, whatever you want to call it. Comment what you want to see or what you didn't see in this video, and we'll figure it out for the next one. No, actually, you know what? I'm going to go over the website real quick, a little quick overview of where I've been getting my landing pages. I'll give you guys a quick look at it just so you guys can see, for the people that want to get a head start on this before I go do a full rundown on tomorrow's video, because this video is running a little bit longer than what I needed it to be. But here's the page that you're going to be starting at, and this website is called Cardco, and this is the same place where I built my landing page that you just saw for the Business Academy. And all here is you can go through, I'll show you. You got profile pages you could build, landing pages you could build, form pages, portfolio pages, sectioned pages. This is all one page builder for any website that you could think of, is all on here. And it's also free for 7 days if you want to just try it out and go through it and start building stuff. If you guys aren't sure how building a landing page works, this is perfect for the beginner who doesn't know how the building a website works. This is all beginner friendly. I'll show you a demo for a landing page here. And all this is all plug and play. You can plug in your autoresponders, videos, pictures, anything you could think of. You can make websites just like this. This is all quick and easy, straight to the point. I'll show you another one here. Oh, it's another good one. I've used this one before. All built on one page, really easy tools too. And I'll even take you to my dashboard and show you some pages that I've made. Here's the Business Academy one that you just seen. I've been doing some work on this one. Exit out of this. See, here's a capture page just to get emails. Here again. See here. Here is where you could put your sign up form to capture all your emails. If you have a different autoresponder, it even accepts different autoresponders. I'll show you here. It has a whole list: ActiveCampaign, Button Down, ConvertKit, GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite, everything you could think of in here. Not gonna go through the whole list, but you get the point. This thing is really, really easy do-it-yourself tools that you could literally be done within 10 minutes. Built a whole website just like this. Like this website here probably tops took me 15 minutes to build. Really easy, and it captures all my email swipes and gets my message out there really quickly. Really fun website to use if you're new to building websites. But yeah, that's pretty much, I'm gonna just leave it at that for today until we can get to our next video, because this is going to be a little bit of a longer one. So yeah, hopefully you guys could get the point and I didn't speed through it too much, and you get a little bit of an understanding of what we're doing here and how you could get started yourself and how you could start getting the team bonuses from me. But we're still keeping the videos coming out every day, so just follow along as I go and you'll start to get value and get your own sales yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I might cut it now so it doesn't go on any longer, and actually for real this time. So you guys take it easy and keep sending out those emails. All right, you guys.